Greetings folks, it's Sarah in Montana. Today I'm doing some cooking videos for you guys on this beautiful Gulliver cook stove. I love this cooker for so many reasons. First of all, I love the cream. There are not a lot of cream colored stoves on the market, and I really like neutrals, like creams, browns more than grays. Yeah, definitely more traditional style. Anyways, I love this cute cooker, and today I am going to be cooking up ground beef on the stovetop. I have a lot of it in here, and maybe you're wondering why I have a potato masher, but it was kind of frozen, and we get our kind in the tubes, you know, like from the real butcher where we have our meat processed. And so when it comes out of that tube packaging, it's pretty stuck together, so I got a potato masher to break it up really good. I am going to be using this ground beef for chili, and I'm going to be cooking it up first on the stovetop. So I'll give you guys some readings so you have an idea of what the cooktop ranges from when cooking on it with the meat, and I'll take you through this cooking video today. So I really hope that you guys do enjoy these videos. If you guys like my videos, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel, share my content with a friend. That helps me out so much. I really do my best to kind of show you guys how the stove works, what you can do with it, what you can cook on it, how the food turns out, your temperature readings. I have a variety of topics and videos, so be sure to check out our YouTube channel. We do organize by brand. This is going to be the Gulliver brand. This is shown in the cream, but it comes in a variety of other colors. You can get it in black, in soapstone, and in burgundy. And this warming oven is optional. So if you prefer not to have the backsplash in the top warming oven, you can go ahead and do that. Now, currently it is early 2026. Now, please note with tariffs, pricing can change, but right now with the warming oven, this model is less than $4,000 delivered. Okay, so that's really a pretty good price. If you guys have questions, you can drop them in the comments. You can also call us at the office if you prefer a live chat. Our telephone number is 406-300-1776. Be sure to check out our website as well, discountstoves.net, also stoveshop.net. Thanks so much for watching, guys. God bless. Have the most wonderful day. Bye.